Strangely, at least to me, the Vice President said that it has to be black. Sabi ko, what kind of political ad is in black? What are we going to do? Why black? Because black is the color of the country today. And I suppose she's right. And as a result, we shot the entire thing dressed in black, which I thought was rather grim, but at the same time, it's entirely appropriate. So that's what happened. Itim, ipaglaban ng tama, itama ang mali. Well, alam naman natin talagang pinakikinggan ang ating Vice President, lalo't andito tayo sa Cebu, sa Mindanao. Malaking bagay talaga ito, malaking tulong. Pero hindi naman yun ang inisip ko. Talagang natutuwa lang ako kasi hindi nagmamaliw ang aming pagiging kaibigan. Sabi ko nga, kami naman ang magkaibigan nung umpisa dahil sa 2019, siya nangampanya para sa amin halos araw-araw. Nangangampanya kami sa lahat ng kasuluk-sulukan, and it went on even as DepEd Secretary. We ended up going to a lot of last mile schools, and I was full of admiration for her commitment and hard work. Thereafter, ang palagay ko, ako nagpahamak sa kanya eh. Kasi recruit ko nga, hindi ko naman akalain na magkakaganito. And kahit ano pa ang nangyari, hindi naman siya nagbabago, nanatili pa rin siyang kaibigan ko. At kilala naman niya ako, kilala ko rin siya, kilala namin ang isa't isa, hindi ko siya bibiguin, hindi rin niya ako kailanman binibigo, at nagpapasalamat ako lagi.